Hi everyone, ammmm here. In honor of BLACKPINK's comeback on June 26th, I will be making a miniature version of Jennie's outfits from Coachella. 2 outfits to be exact, so let's get into it. Alright, outfit number 1 is this silvery, glittery 2-piece. I am going to be making a pink version of it. So I'm taking my pink fabric and just drawing a quick outline of how big I want the skirt to be, but then I'm cutting around it because I just want to leave room for the little strings that are coming down. And then I am sewing 2 lines through the front of the skirt just for shaping purposes. Then I cut out some extra fabric at the back and sewed a line through to close the skirt up. Okay, and then we're moving on to the fun part, which is making those little strips at the bottom of the skirt. Very thin and fine strips. Then as a final step, I sewed a horizontal line just on top of those strips. Okay, the skirt is done. Now we're moving on to the top. I managed to find cloth that is quite similar to what Jennie was wearing during Coachella. I am just going to wrap it in this pink netted fabric and sew a line through it to combine the two, and then also a line through the back to close it off. And that's it. That's outfit number 1. And modeling it will be our paper model Daisy. I like how it turned out. I think it would have looked better if it was the actual color, which is silver, but I didn't have that, so pink will do. All right, we're moving on to outfit number 2, which is actually not a separate outfit. It's more of an add-on. So we're going to lose the skirt, the pink skirt, and then just add this netted, flowy looking robe to it. So I'm using the same pink netted fabric. I'm going to use my paper model to measure the height. And then I'm just roughly cutting out the shape of the robe. I'm also cutting a line through the front and then sewing the sleeves shut, as well as the sides, but only down to the waist because the skirt is going to be open and that will give it a very flowy look, I hope. And then if you will notice on Jennie's outfit, there are some glittery pieces at the front. So for that, I'm just taking the glittery part of this little hair clip, sewing it onto the front of the robe. And as a final step, I am taking this white ribbon and then using it as the belt. And we're done with outfit number 2. I like how it turned out, even though it's also a different color. I am quite excited for BLACKPINK's comeback. I hope you are too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!